Hey everybody, this is Jared with Ductless Plus. We're here at the Mitsubishi conference in Las Vegas. I have Andrew here with SmartFleet. He's going to show you a little bit about the product that he offers contractors like you. If you're in the HVAC industry, or if you have a fleet of vehicles, he has a special product that'll help you track all your stuff. Go ahead.
Oh, thank you. I appreciate that. This is Andrew. We have GPS tracking and dash cams are like the new thing out right now. It's basically to lower accidents and claims. And the way to do that is it's a camera that has a road facing and a driver facing camera. It gets mounted on the windshield. And what's great about this camera is it has artificial intelligence and machine learning. So it also has infrared, which means if I take my eyes off the road for more than 3 seconds, it actually makes a buzzing noise. So as I'm looking down at my phone, it immediately makes a buzzing noise. What it does is it then takes that video and it puts it up into the cloud, where you as the owner can view that video and do a better job at doing safety programs and coaching drivers to drive safer. We have driver scorecard system, where basically it takes those drivers for harsh braking, rapid acceleration, and it puts it into a scorecard system, 0 to 100. The higher the score, the safer the driver. And what's nice about that is within our mobile app that we have, the drivers can actually see their own score on the driver app. So what it does is it gamifies it, and it gets the drivers engaged to where they can compete against each other to drive safer. And ultimately, it's a win-win for the owner of the company and for the drivers, because they get to get home safe to their families. So that's our driver safety program with our dash cams. If you need any other further information, please reach out to me, Andrew, or anyone here at my company at smartfleetusa.com. Again, at smartfleetusa.com. Thanks again, guys. Have a great day and drive safe.